guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to Central Westgate, isang malaking mall na malapit sa amin. Medyo boundary na siya ng Bangkok. Pupunta tayo ngayon kasi kukunin natin yung free items na ibibigay ng Central. Samahan niyo kami. See you later! Okay, so we're here now sa Westgate. So let's go, guys. Pasok tayo doon. Tingnan natin yung message ng third floor. Let's go to third floor. Daming sale. This is second floor. Okay, let's go to third. Nahanap pa namin, guys, kung saan namin i-claim yung item. Baka doon, Central. Baka dito, guys. Central. Pasok tayo, guys. Hanap tayo ng information area. Excuse me. May I ask question? Where do we get this?
That's often correct.
Yes.
Correct.
All there.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go. Diri ba? Dirihan? Hala. Ang laki. Okay. Saan na ito pagdala? Big tayo. Okay, guys. We got our package. Okay, direta. Okay. Tatlo siya. So, look at that. Tira ka, Han? Bugat? Dili daw. Let's go. So, uwi na kami kaagad, guys. Kinuha lang talaga namin to. Okay, guys. So, pauwi na kami. So, i-unbox natin later. Okay? So, nandun sila. Okay, see you! Okay, guys. So, nakauwi na kami sa bahay. Let's open the free gifts from Central Online. Okay, kumuha lang ako ng scissors. So, let's start. Umpisa tayo sa small box. Disclaimer, hindi ito sponsor ng Central Online. So, binigyan nila ako ng free 1,200 baht voucher. So, binili ko siya sa Central app ng mga items na kasali sa voucher na binigay nila sa akin. Kasi hindi lahat ng items, guys, is pwedeng mong mabili gamit ang voucher. Okay, so ito yung first na box. Okay, small box. So ito yung laman niya, guys. Kumuha ako ng facial mask. So, cute My Mood Maker mask. Brand niya is Ariel. Okay, so ito, guys. So, 5 pieces of face mask. So, may purple, may pink, and red. Let's open the medium box. Okay. Next is this one. Oh, silver sandals. Ang brand niya ay Luna. Okay, guys. Ganito yung itsura niya. Look at Han. Is it nice? Okay, silver. Wala kasing ibang kulay na choice, so silver na lang yung pinili ko. Okay, so let's go to the main box. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, so here I bought a Cuisinmate barbecue grill hot pot. Okay, so ito kasi mahilig kaming mag sangyupsal. Na-miss din namin mag sangyupsal pero hindi na kasi kami nakaka sangyupsal sa labas kasi nga COVID. So ito guys. So, let's open the box. And okay, so ganito itsura niya. So, may cord siya sa loob, guys. At pwede ding look at this, magsabaw sa center. So, dito yung mga barbecue. Thank you, Central Online, for giving me this voucher. So, nalagay talaga, guys, na libre to lahat. Binigay nila sa akin. Ikaw ba lang bigyan ng voucher, diba? Libre na to, guys. So, 1,200. So, yun lang. So, ito lang lahat yung mga natanggap ko from Central Online. Ito at ito. Okay. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you could subscribe on my channel and click the notification bell also. And see you again on my next vlog. Bye!